Gemini recently launched Gemini 3.1, and here are 3 really cool things you can do with it. From games, apps, visuals, videos, all of it. My name is Sufyan, and welcome to the Business Blueprint. Okay, so first things first, let's ask Gemini to create a Minesweeper game for us. So I've asked Gemini to build a Minesweeper game for me with different levels. And we will go to the Pro model and click on Canvas. And as you can see now, it's getting right into it. So now it's coding the game, and once it's coded, it'll give us a preview of the game. And there you go. The game is ready, and we also have different levels: easy, medium, hard. Let's try the easy one. There we go. We just cleared the game. Very nice. Literally took me like 1 minute to create this game. Alright, so let's get to the next one. Okay, now similarly, let's try something fun where we ask Gemini to create a game for us based on a cute little puppy. So I've already downloaded the image from Google, and let's put it in. And I've written code a game based on this cute little dog. So I'm curious what Gemini will do in this kind of scenario, because it does not know what kind of game to make. And there we go. It's called Super Doggo Catch. Okay, so we upload the dog's image and then play now. Okay, so it created a game where the dog has to catch the meat and nothing else. Alright, that was fun. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, since we are on the business blueprint, let's create a finance tool. So I will ask Gemini to build a finance tool for me. Let's see what it does. So I've asked Gemini to create a finance calculator for me, and I've asked it to make it in rupees. So let's go to Canvas and hit enter. Okay, so now it's ready, and as you can see, investment growth calculator. So let's put an investment of 5 lakhs and monthly SIP of 5,000, expected rate of return. Let's keep it at 12, period of 10 years. There you go. It gives you the estimated returns, total value, and a chart as well. Pretty good. This one would usually take hours to build, and AI did it in minutes. Alright, so for the next one, we will be using Nano Banana Pro to create a studio-like shoot of our product. And I will be using one of my friend's perfume brand for this one. Shout out to Sonali. Let's see how it comes out. So I will be using a prompt pack that I have made for all of you guys. Please hit a like on this video and comment prompt pack, and I will send it to you. Or you could just message me on Instagram. Let's go for the natural freshness look. Let's just copy this. Let's see how it comes out. I will be using the prompt from the prompt pack. And let's see. I'll just add a perfume bottle. Let's select this one, and then let's open. And we select create image and then submit. And there you go. Look at this image. This looks straight out of a studio shoot, or it looks really professional. And from here you can just copy or just download it or share it to whoever you want. You can literally use this to create any kind of photo shoots. Alright, for this next one, let's go crazy. We will create an isometric 3D city with real-time weather. Let's check it out. So we will be using this prompt on your screen. Present a clear 45 degrees top-down isometric miniature 3D cartoon scene of London featuring Big Ben, Tower Bridge, London Eye. At the top city center, place the title London, real-time weather, today's date, current temperature. Let's go. Alright, so there we go. We have this image of London in a isometric 3D. You can see the Big Ben, there is London Bridge, cool stuff. And here's another example where I put in a similar prompt, but I added my own city, which is Mysore, and all the famous places in it, but in a coffee cup. So here's the result. I think it looks pretty sick. Please drop a like if you have liked any of the prompts that I've shared with you till now. And last but not the least, let's create a 3x3 grid for product shoot again. And again, I will be using my friend's brand. It'll create 3x3 grid of perfume shots, each shot with a different mood. Let's check it out. Alright, so I've uploaded the image of the perfume and I gave this prompt: create a 3x3 grid of hyper-real luxury perfume marketing still life shots using the perfume product as a center image. Each cell must feature a different fragrance-inspired visual concept. And let's check out the result. The result is pretty good. Every shot has a different mood and a different kind of feel to it, and it is perfect for anyone who wants to market their product or run ads on them. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If any of these prompts blew your mind, do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know which one you like the most down in the comments, and more such videos. Hit subscribe and stay smart, stay safe, and see you on the next one.